When it comes time for glue ups, we could all use a hand. Now you can save time and your sanity. This simple yet effective clamp holding fixture buys you extra time during glue ups by streamlining the process, and positions your clamps to optimize pressure across panel, or puts clamp pressure just where you want it, as in raised panel door glue ups. The CSS24 comes in two models. One nests 3/4 of an inch or smaller pipe clamps, and the other holds 1/4 inch and heavier 3/8 inch parallel jaw clamp bars. The four sides of the CSS24 are quickly assembled using notches in each bar that forms a sturdy egg crate joint. And for longer panel glue ups, simply use 2 or more to handle your needs. Clamping with pipe clamps couldn't be easier, since the CSS24 elevates the handle for easy cranking. Plus, the powder coat paint finish cleans right off. The Woodpeckers CSS24, the best glue up buddy a woodworker can have.